come a long way. We are now celebrating Fiji's 46th year as an independent nation. This is a remarkable achievement in itself, and one that should be celebrated extensively. The theme for Fiji Day Celebration is, and I quote, "Moving all Fijians forward in unity," unquote, and illustrates government's focus on inclusivity in all its development efforts and national life. The theme is reflective of Chapter 2 of our Bill of Rights as enshrined in Fiji's constitution, which entails a broad-based human rights approach serving to recognize and protect citizens' individual rights.